In this video, I will tell you about the Mahajanapadas. So these are the Mahajanapadas are were established between 600 BC. In 600 BC, some Janpadas were established. This is in the later Vedic period. So no, not in the later Vedic period, but after the later Vedic period, because later Vedic period finished in 600 BC. So after 600 BC, what happened was some Janpadas were established, which were established by Aryans and mainly Aryans, you know, and these were some got annexed by bigger kingdoms, and then there were 16 Mahajanpadas. So first Janas were established, which were a group of tribal people. Then they formed Janpadas when they acquired territory, and then after that, these Janpadas were annexed by bigger Janpadas. So there were in 600 BC there were 16 Mahajanpadas left. So these were Kasi, Kosala, Ang, Magad, Vajji, Mala, Chedi, Vats, Kuru, Panchala, Matsya, Surma, Sursena, Asaka, Avanti, Gandhara, and Kamboja. So these were Kasi, Kosala, Ang, Magad, Vajji, Malla, Chedi, Vats, Kuru, Panchala, Matsya, Sursena, Asaka, Avanti, Gandhara, and Kamboja. But by 600 BC, only four powerful kingdoms remained, as all of them were annexed by Mahajanpadas. So there were Magad, which was ruled by Bimbisara and later Ajatsatru. Then there was Avanti. One important ruler of Avanti was Pradyota. Then there was Kosala, ruler was Prasenjit, and last one was Vats, ruler was Udayan. But by 550 BC, all of these were annexed and became part of Magad. So all of these Mahajanpadas, all four of these Mahajanpadas, by 550 BC, they were all annexed by Magad Empire. So most of these Mahajanpadas were on the bank of Ganga, Yamuna, and northwest rivers of Punjab, including Sindh. So not, these all were on the banks of Ganga or Yamuna or the northwestern rivers, including Punjab and Sindh. In northwestern rivers of Punjab and Sindh. So Magad was situated in present-day Bihar and eastern Uttar Pradesh. Magad was situated in present-day Bihar and eastern Uttar Pradesh. It was a very big kingdom, and it had annexed all the Mahajanpadas, and all the governors of these Janpadas or the rulers of these Janpadas uh, recognized the hegemony of the Magad Empire. So, Magad was situated in present-day Bihar and eastern UP, eastern part of Gangetic Plain. Chief political activity of the northern part of Indian subcontinent moved from western part to the eastern part. So, as Magad was now the political capital of the all the Mahajanpadas, so the political activity moved from western part of India to eastern part of India in the eastern Gangetic Plain, and Prakrit and Sanskrit were widely spoken language of these 16 Mahajanpadas. So the most widely spoken languages were Prakrit and Sanskrit. Now, as we look at the history of language, so in next video I will tell you about the history of language in Indian subcontinent. Okay guys, see you in the next video.